Number 12, find the first four non-zero terms of the Maclaurin series of 1 divided by the square root of 1 plus x cubed. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this in a helpful and suggestive form. I'm going to rewrite this as 1 plus x cubed to the minus 1/2 power. Why am I doing this? Because this is going to be tailor-made to when we realize that this is a case of a binomial series from the very end of section 10.8, Newton's binomial series. So we know in general the binomial series for 1 plus x to the a is, let me write out the first four terms here. The expansion goes 1 plus a divided by 1 factorial times x plus a times a minus 1 divided by 2 factorial times x squared plus a times a minus 1 times a minus 2 divided by 3 factorial times x cubed plus dot dot dot. We're being asked for the first four non-zero terms of the Maclaurin series, so this will be enough to answer the question. So what's going on here? We have a is going to be minus 1/2. So we're going to write out 1 plus x to the minus 1/2 power, and then we'll substitute in x cubed in for x. So when we do this, so a is minus 1/2, 1 minus 1/2 divided times x, plus minus 1/2 times minus 1/2 minus 1 is minus 3/2 divided by 2 factorial 2 times x squared plus minus 1/2 minus 3/2 and minus 5/2. Minus 1/2 minus 2 is minus 5/2. All of that divided by 3 factorial 6 times x cubed plus dot dot dot. If we want to simplify the coefficients here, 1 minus 1/2 x, this simplifies down to minus times minus is plus 3/8 times x squared. And this product here, when you multiply this out, ends up as minus 5/16 times x cubed. Okay, so we found the binomial series for 1 plus x to the minus 1/2 power. The last thing we have to do is replace x with x cubed. So everywhere we see an x, we're going to replace it with x cubed. 1 plus x cubed to the minus 1/2 is going to start off 1 minus 1/2 x cubed plus 3/8 x cubed, all of that squared is x to the 6, minus 5/16, x cubed cubed is x to the 9th, plus so on and so forth. So knowing these binomial series is going to save you a lot of time on these kind of problems. You don't want to do things from scratch here.